What are your future plans for EuRoC?
This EuRoC edition, we want to, as you said in the very beginning, we want to compete in our COTS 3-kilometer apogee rocket. Our main goal at EuRoC is to perform to the best of our abilities, but we are very excited to actually know the rest of the teams because they have more experience than us. They can give us many great tips, and we will sure gain weeks or months of experience just in those few days, just by talking to other teams which actually have the experience. As for next editions, we'll see how it goes. We really have no idea how we're going to deal with future EuRoC editions. Maybe we try to develop a bigger rocket for EuRoC, or we develop the same 3-kilometer one whilst developing a bigger rocket just to try and compete at EuRoC in the same category. We'll see. What is obvious is that if we compete in newer editions of EuRoC in later years, we will try and get a SRAD motor going on. We tried to get it in time for EuRoC, and it works, but we are not confident enough at the moment to actually say that we will compete with an SRAD, so that's why we went with the commercial rocket. We'll see in future editions how it goes. We're talking to our university to see how they can see if we can get to an agreement as to how many people can go, because it's, of course, there's the budget. We can't actually ask for too much money to send only 30 people there, because at EuRoC you can send 30 people. We'll see how it goes. Maybe there's luck and we can send all 30. As for advisors, for sure, 2 of our advisors will show up. Our propulsion advisor and the actual team tutor will show up. You'll get to meet them in EuRoC if you come see. As for who are the top competitors, I don't want to say things and then I'm gonna regret. But I believe that I've met a member of Phoenix Rocketry today, and they seemed very, very focused. I'm not going to speak about other teams because I haven't met them. I've only talked to them through social media, so I don't want to say anything. I've only met in person somebody from Phoenix because he's doing Erasmus here. And they seemed small but promising team. We'll see. We'll see how.
Do you want to join other rocketry competitions?
If the Open Launch Initiative actually goes as planned, or we actually yield or get a result that we can actually join with other teams, we will for sure. Spaceport America right now is not on the table because it's way too expensive for us. Can take 20k or 25k euros to send the rocket with the whole team to Spaceport America. We don't have that kind of budget. That's 5 times our current budget. We can't deal with Spaceport America at the moment. Perhaps in the future, yes, but I don't believe that this year or the next we'll have enough money to have enough to send a whole team, to send a rocket to Spaceport America. That's why we are very focused or very intrigued by expanding the European space scene to see if we can make the European competition just as big or bigger than it currently is, to attract more people and because Spaceport America, there's many more teams competing than at EuRoC. We really wish that EuRoC was just as big as Spaceport America. In any specific country, well, it's not about the country itself, it's just about how available we have it to actually send our rocket there. We're very grateful that Spain actually has one of the spaceports, so that really lowers our the budget, but it has to be in Europe. We don't really care what country, but we just can't send across the Atlantic a whole rocket. It's way too expensive. Also, the delays, because you need to send it with doing so much paperwork, doing so many things in advance